Look at a fucking car.
Mm-hmm.
But I think that roll-up is designed
right.
for that. On the bottom, it probably doesn't matter as much because you don't see it. Yeah, it covers down there. I'm betting that's what that's for, though. Yeah, we'll have to, I'm almost tempted to pop these off.
Mm-hmm.
So we can sit it flush to the car. I don't want to drill these holes if they're going to move. Yeah, we'll body work this out, get it to fit these so much nicer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm sure we can make something like this. Try to figure out their outer mold for this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we'll figure that shit out.
Mm-hmm.
Make some pieces. Maybe we'll order an extra set of inlays for them if they're cheap enough.
I don't remember how much they are.
Just to see if they're the same ones. So if they're the same ones, you can make the mold for the piece that you're going to be ordering. So if we're going to make a piece, we want it to fit what's going to be able to be bought and put in, not what might be slightly different and then run into the situation.
You gotta come over that? Yeah, that piece. Yep, that you were saying needed. That we needed back out? Yep, it went back in. So let me back this down. Damn.
because Chris had music playing in the background, I had to mute our conversation out because of they blocked the video if I left the music. So, but basically, we're trying to get the passenger side to fit. Ran into some issues because the B had been hit on that side pretty hard before my dad owned it. And that whole side was replaced. Another part of the car was cut off of another Superbee. It was actually turquoise, so it could have been RT. And I actually believe today that it probably was an RT, just because the seats that I had in the car originally were not original Superbee seats. They were actually seats out of a GTX, I believe, or maybe a RT. So this side is and has been a challenge to get lined up correctly in the back when it comes to the trunk lid, as you'll see later on in one of our next posts.